Getting traffic to your niche website. We want you to have a good-looking niche website with high-quality content that your visitors will love. But you won't make any money from your niche site if you don't get enough targeted traffic to it. A lot of niche websites fail due to low visitor numbers. It is crazy to spend the time and effort finding the right niche, setting up your website, adding a lead generation system, email list, and promoting relevant offers if you don't get any visitors. So, once you have your niche website set up and have some high-quality content on it, then you must focus on generating targeted website traffic. You can do this yourself or outsource some or all of this activity. Here are some great ways to drive traffic to your niche website. SEO. We have already discussed that SEO should be the foundation of your niche website. This is a longer-term strategy, but you need to put the effort in at the beginning and then on a continual basis to reap the rewards later on. Free targeted traffic from search engines should be the goal of all smart niche marketers. You need to ensure that your website and each piece of content that you publish are SEO optimized. This is not a guide on SEO, and there is plenty of information available on the subject online. Keyword research is essential, and you need to make sure that you use your keywords on your website and in the individual posts. This is called on-site or on-page optimization. Pay careful attention to the titles of your posts to ensure that they are keyword-rich. Use the header tags in WordPress and add keywords in some of these. The other essential ingredient to SEO success is to get links from other websites to your posts. These are backlinks, and the search engines will rate your site on the quality of the backlinks that you have. Again, you can build backlinks for yourself or outsource this. Be careful with the backlinks that you get, as poor quality links can harm your ratings. Content marketing and social media. You can use the various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Instagram to build a following and provide great content. When you make high-quality posts to these social platforms, other people will comment on them and share them with their friends. Social media platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn have groups dedicated to specific niches. You can join these and make useful contributions to establish yourself as an expert. Why not start your own group? When you have a larger following, you can create your own group in your niche and be in control of everything. There are paid advertising options on the social media platforms that can help to build your following fairly inexpensively. For example, you can create a post on Facebook and then boost this to attract more followers to your page. As always, your content needs to be of the highest quality and engaging. You don't need to create overly long posts for the social platforms. Your aim should always be to get people to visit your website. When people do comment on your posts, then be sure to react quickly and thank them. Video marketing. Using websites like YouTube.com to drive traffic to your website is very effective. A lot of niche marketers will not do this as they don't like the idea of having to create videos. The truth is that most people prefer video these days to reading long textual posts. So, do whatever you need to do to create some high-quality, engaging videos. It is a lot easier to rank a YouTube video high in the search engines than it is a web page. So you need to ensure that you optimize your videos properly so that they have the maximum chance of ranking well. Pay careful attention to the title, description, and the video tags here. Email marketing. The money is in the list, so make sure that you build one. Email marketing is one of the very best ways to drive targeted traffic to your niche website. You will need to use an autoresponder such as Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp so that you can create your list and send emails automatically. The best way to attract people to your email list is to provide them with a valuable incentive. This can be a special report or guide known as a lead magnet. Alternatively, you can send your email subscribers to a private video you have created where they will learn something valuable. Once you start building your email list, you will need to create a newsletter which you send out regularly, once a week. You will need to plan this content and create it, and you can outsource, and then load all of the messages into your autoresponder. You can also create a broadcast email message for all of your email subscribers whenever you want. Yes, it will take some effort to set up an autoresponder and build a list. A newsletter means creating a lot of content for your subscribers, but it is really worth doing this. You can send your subscribers to related offers to generate income. If you want to sell your niche website in the future, an email list will significantly increase the value. Paid traffic. Using paid traffic is fast and easy. You can go for PPC, pay-per-click ads such as Google AdWords or Bing ads, or use social media ads such as Facebook ads. The advantage of paid traffic is that you can send targeted traffic to your website very quickly. To use PPC, you will need to use some of the keywords from your keyword list. You will also need a suitable landing page on your website. You are not allowed to send the traffic directly to a sales or offer page with PPC. So, you need to create your own landing page that provides value to the visitor. From this page, you can persuade them to join your email list, for example. Facebook ads have the advantage that you can clearly define your audience. You can use their ad program to target people with specific demographics and interests in different locations. Facebook ads are usually cheaper than Google ads, so it is something that you need to take a look at to drive targeted traffic.